Am I the only one that didn't know you could make $50K in just 7 days? Well, buckle up because I'm about to spill the beans. Meet Marty, the mastermind behind a system that's simpler than brewing your morning coffee. How did he do it? By taking one simple idea and turning it into $50,000 in just 7 days. Sounds like magic, right? But it's all about having the right system. Marty used to drown in complicated tools and expensive ads, but then he had a eureka moment. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. So he designed a system that anyone, even you, can follow to achieve amazing results. Here's how it works. First, identify a simple idea. It doesn't have to be groundbreaking. Next, turn that idea into an irresistible offer. Then, attract attention using savvy marketing strategies. Finally, convert that attention into sales using proven techniques. And the best part? No huge ad spend. No advanced skills needed. This system is straightforward, repeatable, and effective. Marty's 50K case study is packed with everything you need to know to get started. Imagine waking up to sales notifications, knowing your idea is making money while you sleep. That's the power of this system. So, why not give it a try? Click the link below to access the complete 50K case study at a special discount. And remember, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Take the leap and transform your life today.